Transformers and rectifiers deliver its Q4 numbers. They've been pretty strong. Let me take it across to Gaurav and analyze those numbers for us.
Right. We've got 4Q FY24 results from Transformers and Rectifiers, and if we look at the numbers, they were actually quite strong. So, for example, revenue grew almost by 17% on a YY basis. EBITDA grew almost by 118% on a YY basis. And lastly, if we talk about net profits, it grew almost 4 and now it stands somewhere near 41 crore rupees on the back of low base. Now, if we look at the reasons why these numbers are strong, so company explained it with that faster execution and better production planning that we have seen in FY24 that helped the company to grow its profitability. From here on, if you look at order book also, it stands somewhere near 2,500 crore rupees for FY24, which is executable in the next 15 months. Order inflow was actually quite strong in Q1 FY24, so Q1 FY25 so far. And lastly, company's order book pipeline stands at somewhere near 17,000 crore rupees with expected win ratio of 20%. So if from here on, they are getting FY25 revenue to be somewhere in the range of 2,000 crore rupees, and EBITDA margins are also likely to remain between 12.5 to 30% levels versus what we have seen at 10.4% level in FY24. Now, there is some positive commentary coming up from management as well. So, for example, they have stated that the QIP of 500 crores will be completed in Q1 and the proceeds will be used for inorganic growth as well as debt reduction. At the same time, they also believe that profitability that we have seen in Q4 FY25 will be continued in the coming days as well. And for FY26, they're actually aiming 25% of its revenue mix coming from exports. So, in all, a very positive commentary coming up from management as well. We have already seen that stock reacted positively on the back of the strong results that we have seen, and on back of this, all these updates, we will definitely keep an eye on these companies and see how it performs for the investors in coming days.